walking this morning and the wild turkeys are out. I'm going to try to get close to them before they run away, but I don't know if you can see them. You see them? They were like 5 feet away from me before I saw them. Look. I see them, but I don't know if you can. They're walking back out. Hold on. Okay, there's one right there. You can't tell. You see him? See that one standing up? He's being still. They ain't gonna let me get no closer. It's like 12 of them that run around here. Hopefully I can get a better picture.